Quitting from Raffles Holland, we more in Holland village. Gonna explore this place now. Let's go. There's a Dunkin' here restaurant. First impression, it looks like office building, and Dunkin' Donuts seems to be empty. On level 2, there's a So Chill Bar Club, sauna, ice bar, hot bar, recording station, quick cafe, no booking, private towel, and swimming. So chill with us. It's right here. It's right here. There's some ice cream here, like the daily scoop. The Mao Shan one as well. DBS local bank. And going to the next floor. It seems like number of shops in one level is not a lot. And it's quite funny how come like the escalator is only for one person. This only exists in like the 1970s more, you know. This one, it looks very new. Maybe a cut cost or something. The next level. Findings education. Wow. Now level 3 there's a sushi shop. That looks like a birth cage. What's this man? Don't stand still. What very innovative. Level 4 now right now. Right side is a lift and left side is a shop. Virgin Active is a gym, right? Alamak, I never seen this gym for a long time. It seems to be like from California and US. Because we only heard about like Anytime Fitness or last time California Fitness, right? Or Planet Fitness, right? This one is like, let's see, you can see the waist or something. But very attractive walls. So that's it. Level 5. Level 5 seems to be all Raffles medical health screening, dental specialist, diagnostics. So this is the biggest branch, I think. I mean, they're all in one though. If you have a toe pain, you come to dental. If you have some fever, medical, and so on. I can't believe it, man. So this level 5. Women's and children's also department. Specialist is here. Check out the rooftop garden. R4. It's close, too bad. But nice effort, and you can see some plants from here. So basement 1 is a fair price finance, and they're open until 11 PM. I think it's one of the reasons why people come here to the NTUC to buy some grocery necessities and stuff. There are even flowers. Oh, I'm not sure where these things do, man. Suddenly I'm like, I need to go up again. I'm at the other side. I'm going to do my conclusion and finding summary now of this Raffles Hotel V Mall, right? It looks big. It looks like an entire mall, you know, so many shops, over 20 to 50 or even 100 shops, right? But actually, every level there's only about 2 shops on the average, and at the top floor there's a Raffles specialist, dental, and so on. The whole floor is theirs. And I went to the roof terrace, but unfortunately it's closed. Maybe they open during the daytime. And at the bottom and the ground floor there's some soup restaurant and Dunkin' Donuts as well as the DBS Bank right here, and then the gastronomia. So wait, I think I saw another shop, 2 shops, Carrot and Daily Scoop. Oh, that one is ice cream. The other one is the eye care optical shop. So it's like most people come here to visit the NTUC, you know, at the basement 1. If they stay nearby, right? Because this outlet opens until 11 PM. Yeah, and then there are so many malls. There are 5 malls in Holland Village. I went to every one of them in just a few hours time. I did the videos. I'm really exhausted right now. So if you enjoyed the video, just give a like and give a thumbs up. And consider subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone, and bye bye. Ciao, madane.